Ahwazi women. This program is built in solidarity with the Arab Ahwazi women, the women of strength, courage and dignity, the brave freedom fighters who, despite the tremendous difficulties they have gone through since the occupation of their homeland, they have courageously faced the terrorism of Iranian occupation and have continuously struggled for peace and freedom. Accordingly, the Ahwazi Women Program aims to raise awareness and to shed light on violations of women's rights in Ahwaz. It is noteworthy that the global audience have inadequate knowledge about the region of Ahwaz and thus lacking information about the Ahwazi women in particular, because the Iranian regime continuously attempts to falsify the truth and to mislead the international community and media. Therefore, before going into more details, it is imperative to provide a brief overview about the region of Ahwaz, even though discussing a unique and strategically complex region such as Ahwaz requires unlimited number of episodes. Hence, it must be studied comprehensively and be analyzed through various aspects including history, geography, economics, politics, environment, social, culture, and etc. The forgotten region of Ahwaz: Arabistan, Ahwaz, Susiana, Shushan, Sus, Shush, and Elam. These are a variety of names that have been given to the region of Ahwaz throughout the history. A geographically distinguished region with an area of 375 km, located on the eastern coast of the Arabian Gulf, starting from the Strait of Hormuz to the Shatt al-Arab. It is known to be a wealthy region full of treasures, including oil, gas, agricultural lands, fresh water, and many other valuable natural resources. Ahwaz had witnessed various governments such as the Elamite civilization, Al-Mushasha'in with their capital known as Al-Huwayza, and Bani Ka'ab that was founded by Sheikh Salman bin Sultan Al-Bu Nasser Al-Ka'bi in Muhammara and was lasted until its military occupation on April 20, 1925 during the ruling of Prince Khaz'al. Its distinct position and complexity in terms of geo-economic, geopolitical, and geostrategic aspects has made it highly influential in the regional and international equations, and thus has caused many greedy countries to aggressively target this region throughout the history. Historically, the ancient land of Ahwaz witnessed the second human civilization dating back to more than 5000 BC. This long-lasting ancient civilization that is gone but not forgotten is known as Elam, and its capital city is called Susa or Susiana. Fundamentally, the Elamite society was built on the basis of the worship of God, belief in the supernatural, and reverence for women.